So here's how to use FreeCash for Roblox to get Robux. First of all, you need to open up the FreeCash application. So once you're in the FreeCash app, tap on Cash Out from the bottom bar right here. After that, in this section, you'll be able to see your balance. Now if you scroll through, you will get to see all the available methods you can withdraw with. So now, what you need to do is search and look for Roblox. But as you can see, there is no option for Roblox. So for that, we will go with Google Play. Tap on Google Play, and here on the top, you can select your country. After selecting your country, you need to select the amount that you want to withdraw. There are 4 options. After selecting, just tap on Withdraw. So once you withdraw your balance to Google Play, you can use that balance in Roblox to get Robux. This is because there is no direct option to use FreeCash for Roblox, and this is the easiest way to do so.